my friends, it's Kelly and welcome to my channel. So in today's video, we're going to be doing a little bit of this and a little bit of that. I want to run outside. It's a very cool, very crisp day. So I want to get outside before the snow flies and just take down my Christmas decorations, get up all those extension cords so they don't freeze into the ground. And then I want to go downstairs to the basement and organize where I put all my Christmas decorations, and I thought I would show you how I store them. January is going to be a very busy month for us, so I figured I have a day now to do it. So without any further ado, let's head outside first and take the Christmas decorations down, and then we'll come back in and start to organize everything else. up putting these birch logs here, the ones that were over on the window. I thought, you know, why not just stack them there for now. And then you saw that the swag that I took down over the garage, I added into here to fill it in. I can't get that plant stand out because it's frozen in. That just really filled in that spot. So I think it looks really, really nice. Could add one more log right here to the front and see how that looks. I ended up adding one of the birch logs right here. I think it looks really nice. It kind of ties in. The two at the back I can't move forward because they are frozen in. They won't, well, this one won't move. I think I loosened it enough. So I'll get that one forward. There, and now it's just a nice winter display. I've taken everything in, so it can start to thaw and I can roll up all the lights. So in this bin I keep my Christmas balls, and I really purged them this year. Well, I just thought I'd show you a few things. Of course, I got these beautiful white balls from Michael's this year, and I tied some red ribbon on them. I just kept the ribbon on, but I kept the boxes, so they're all gonna go in there. Basically, that's what I've done for all of them. Here, I had bought those red ones as well. Now, the other thing I did was I took an egg carton this year. I really purged a lot of old Christmas balls that were like from the dollar store and things like that. So for here, for the lantern, I think what I'm gonna do is I'm going to fill up as much as I can in here, and I think the rest is gonna go in the garbage because I don't need them anymore. I have too many. I just put them in here this year. But I think that's what I'm gonna do. I also have this plastic container that I don't even know what came in this years ago, but I use it for the smaller balls. So I have lots of room in that, so I think I can put more in there. I will mention that I store like items all together. So that big gray box that you see in the background, that holds all my Christmas picks and florals that I use throughout the Christmas season and throughout my home. The bin in the front with the green lid you saw holds all my garlands, and I put all my balls together. So I tend to group like items together, and I find that just works best for me. Now I'm going to take you into the room where we store all our seasonal decor and lots of other things. It's nothing special, it's just in our basement. And usually what I do is for some of the bigger items, I just stack them on top of some of these shelving units that we put up a number of years ago. Nutcrackers are in this coffee box, and then I have a bunch of other things on the shelves that I don't typically have a bin for, such as these pumpkins. They're a little large, so just haven't gotten around to doing a bin for them. And then I, of course, have my dishes down here, and I have some crackers that we use on our table for various dinners throughout the season. And do you guys do crackers on your tables? We love doing them. The kids love them. I got these from my mom when she changed condos a couple of years ago, and so I don't have to buy any for a while. So you can just see lots of other things. Nothing special. There's nothing, no fancy way to store everything. But yes, we do carry down our Christmas tree intact. My husband decided to do this a number of years ago. I don't know why, but I let him do it. And this is just the way he likes to store it. We do have the box, so whenever we do move, we will be able to pack it up to store it in the new place. But again, nothing fancy here. The rest of the Christmas bins get stacked right beside the Christmas tree and usually at the back, because I'm not going to need to pull them out for another year. My system is for each season, I will put that season out first, and so I can grab it easier. And when I'm done with it, it gets rotated behind everything else because I know it's going to be another year before I need to get at it. So here, everything for Christmas is stacked back, and then the other bins for spring, fall, Halloween are coming forward. I have Christmas paper and some mesh ribbon beside it, and then my wreaths are hung next to everything on this IKEA storage garment rack. Now, as you saw earlier, what I do is I take pipe cleaners and a hanger and just attach the wreaths to the hangers with the pipe cleaners, and then I just put a garbage bag over top to try and keep some of the dust out of it, and they just hang on this IKEA garment rack, and it's as simple as that. I do label them. I put a little tag over the hangers on the outside so I can see what's in the bag very quickly. And here, this garment bag, I just keep extra rolls of Christmas wrapping paper. And in this big white bag here is is how I store all my wreaths. I did get this from my mother-in-law, many, many years ago. And this bag is huge. I think I have 6 or 7 wreaths in there. So that's how I store all my wreaths for the outside. And underneath it, I just have a couple more bins, some more of my fall decor. And then underneath in the big bin are really my everyday, my favorite faux florals that I have, and I just store them there so I can get to them easier. So that wraps up today's video. It feels great to have everything down outside and put away right in time before a snowstorm hits. So it's good to get all those extension cords up and all the decor down before that happens. So I'm not battling the elements trying to get it all down. But I want to thank you for stopping by. I hope that you enjoyed this video. And now we can move on to other projects in the house and making it all cozy and warm for the winter time. So until I talk to you in my next video, guys, I hope you have a great week. Hey honey, you want to go to IKEA?